The Digital Easy Harness Installation Kit simplifies your aftermarket digital dash install project. With a direct fit to your OEM factory dash gauge cluster connectors, eliminate the need to splice into your factory wiring, making for an easy, professional quality install. Simply click the harness to your OEM connectors and have an easily reversible solution if you ever change plans. The Digital Easy Harness comes with automotive-grade TXO wire, easy-to-read numbered connectors, labeled wires, high-quality wire loom, with shrink tubing and an assortment of parts to help you finish your install. No need to struggle with splicing into your wires when all you need to do is snap onto our direct fit connectors. Available in full-length and short version kits to adapt to the digital dash system for your application. Currently offering solutions for the 79 to 93 Foxbody Mustang, with more makes and models coming soon. Check us out on www.newradsolutions.com and order your kit today.